Coughing can be incredibly annoying and disruptive, especially if you're trying to have a conversation, watch a movie, or sleep. Other people might think you are contagious, which can be quite embarrassing. So, if you're tired of coughing up a storm, here are some hilarious and effective ways to stop coughing. Particularly the last one is a serious game changer, so stay tuned. We are no doctors. Always seek the advice of your doctor or other qualified health provider regarding a medical condition. 1. Drink hot sauce. Yes, you read that right. If you want to stop coughing, drink some hot sauce. The spiciness of the sauce will irritate your throat, which will make you stop coughing. Plus, it's a great way to clear your sinuses. Just make sure you have a glass of milk handy to cool down your mouth afterwards. 2. Sing a song. If you're coughing uncontrollably, try singing a song. Not only will it distract you from your cough, but it will also help regulate your breathing. Plus, who doesn't love a good karaoke session? Just make sure you pick a song that's not too high-pitched, or you might end up coughing even more. 3. Do the hokey pokey. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. Doing the hokey pokey is a great way to stop coughing. It's a fun and silly way to distract yourself from your cough, and it also gets your body moving. Plus, if you're in a public place, you'll definitely get some weird looks, which is always entertaining, at least for the others. 4. Drink pickle juice. Pickle juice is not only delicious, but it's also a great way to stop coughing. The vinegar in the juice will help soothe your throat and stop the coughing. Plus, it's a great way to get your daily dose of sodium. Just make sure you don't drink too much, or you might end up with a stomachache. 5. Count backwards from 100. If you want to stop coughing, try counting backwards from 100. It's a great way to distract yourself from your cough and focus on something else. Plus, it's a great way to practice your mental math skills. Just make sure you don't accidentally fall asleep while counting. 6. Eat a spoonful of honey. Honey is a natural cough suppressant, so if you're coughing, try eating a spoonful of honey. It will help soothe your throat and stop the coughing. Plus, it's a great excuse to eat something sweet. Just make sure you don't eat too much, or you might end up with a sugar rush. 7. Watch a funny video. Laughter is the best medicine, so if you're coughing, try watching a funny video. It will distract you from your cough and make you feel better. Plus, it's a great way to procrastinate. Just make sure you don't accidentally fall down a YouTube rabbit hole and waste hours of your day. Are you right now? 8. Hold your breath. If you want to stop coughing, try holding your breath for as long as you can. It will help regulate your breathing and stop the coughing. Plus, it's a great way to practice your lung capacity. Just make sure you don't hold your breath for too long, or you might pass out. 9. Do a handstand. If you're feeling adventurous, try doing a handstand to stop your cough. It will help get the blood flowing and distract you from your cough. Plus, it's a great way to show off your acrobatic skills. Just make sure you don't accidentally fall over and hurt yourself. Now seriously, the next tip is the most helpful but needs some training. 10. Meditate. If you want to stop coughing, try meditating. It will help calm your mind and regulate your breathing. Plus, it's a great way to practice mindfulness. Deeply concentrate on your breathing, pushing all other thoughts away. If distracting thoughts come back to your mind, and they will, relax again and focus on your breathing again. It will get easier. By meditating, you can not only stop coughing, you can as well stop sneezing and an annoying hiccup. Try it with patience, it will work. In conclusion, coughing can be incredibly annoying, but it doesn't have to ruin your day. Try one of these hilarious and effective ways to stop coughing, above all meditation, and you'll be feeling better in no time. And if all else fails, just remember to cover your mouth with your elbow bend when you cough. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and bye.